Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, your one and only original meal cooking channel in Ghana and beyond. Guys, I'm super excited as always to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous, healthy and mouth-watering food recipe. And I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. Let's make a simple yet delicious okra stew recipe. Healthy yet inexpensive, which you can pair with almost everything. I enjoyed mine with kokonte, aka face the wall. Let's begin by pouring our chopped, clean okra and garden eggs into our clean saucepan. Add your saltpeter and just little or good amount of clean water to cook your okra and garden eggs together. So guys, after some good amount of minutes, my okra and garden eggs should be ready by now, as you can see on your TV, laptop, phones or screens. Let me put it that way. So guys, I will transfer it into another clean bowl or saucepan, since I will be using the same amazing and good saucepan for my okra stew. So the next thing is to pour in my palm oil into my saucepan, turn on the heat. Chopped onions goes in at this point in time. Stir fry for some few seconds or minutes, after which you add your salted fish, that is momone. That's going to add a bit of flavor, aroma to my okra stew. So that just goes in at this point in time. So family, I will be using only smoked mackerel for this recipe, as you can see on your screen. I will be breaking it into smaller sizes or chunks into my sauce, then get it going. Red powdered pepper goes in. My natural spice blend recipe goes in at this point in time. Add your salt to taste. Give it a gentle stir, since it's fish and it can break easily. Give it a gentle stir. Allow it to simmer on low heat to prevent it from burning. Add your ginger powder and garlic powder. Then at this point in time, I will be adding my cooked okra and garden eggs. Give it a gentle stir as well. After a good stir, I will be adding a little amount of water to increase the quantity of my okra stew or soup. Because Charlie guys, things are super expensive nowadays. Sika any ho, that is the problem. A bachelor as I am, a young guy, Charlie, I need to manage myself. So that is it. Give it a gentle stir. Add my seasoning cube of choice, that is 1 seasoning cube. Combine properly and add my crushed bakushito, that is green petit bell pepper. Push it in with your ladle or press it down with your ladle, as you can see. on your screen and allow it to simmer for some few minutes on low or medium heat. Guys, meda sibibre. Time to check. Check. So guys, the salt content is on point, everything is on point at this point in time. Ladies and gentlemen, my delicious, inexpensive, Charlie, all the words I don't know what to say, okra stew is ready. And as you can see on your screen, I'm enjoying mine with kokonte, aka face the wall. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to share this amazing recipe with your loved ones. And also guys, after trying this amazing recipe at home, let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That's very important. Guys, see you with another video. Bye guys. May that's be brave.